Honestly, I like it as fuck. Anyway, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna make this part quick because I meant to do this when I was wearing my other wig, but it came off because it was time for it to come off. So anyway, I have this wig from Braids Queen Official, and I'm gonna put it on for you guys. This is my first time ever trying like a braided wig. I'm gonna show you guys, you know, what it looks like. I've already opened it, but I'm gonna like still show you guys. But can we take a minute? Like, I feel like my skin is like glowing. This is the wig. It comes like with an elastic band on it, and this is the wig. Show you guys the front. It's like a little middle part with like the little thing. It does have baby hairs. If I'm being 100% honest, y'all, I'm very, very nervous about this wig. I've never done a braided wig before. One, two, the color. And y'all know that I'm very honest, so it's like I'm not about to sugarcoat it at all. I wish I would have really looked at this before they sent it to me, but it's fine. We're going to make it work. But it's like basically individual braids in the back and braided down in the front. And it's like this color. So we're gonna hope that this looks decent on my skin. But yeah, so I have to do like a full ball cap method because like it's supposed to like scalp. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm not gonna film that because I feel like you guys know how to do like a ball cap method, and two, I don't really know how to do a ball cap method. So we're just gonna make it work, and I'm gonna come back when it's time for me to put this on.
Take it all back, hate the things that you said, cause I wish you didn't mean it. I'm under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep, and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night. And I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep, and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night. I shouldn't have spoke, cause you didn't feel the same way about me, and it's eating me alive all of the time. So I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep, and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night.
Honestly, I like it as fuck. I'm trying to like fix the lighting. So I did my baby hairs like this, and I put like a little big scrunchie in it, and I put little pupa shells in it. So I'm not even gonna cap. Fresh out the I had like a whole lot of stuff going on, I'm sorry. Yeah, fresh out the package, like when they sent it to me, I'm not even gonna cap, I was like, what the fuck is this? Like, no. But I mean, I like it. I don't know if it's like the half up, half down that I'm feeling. I don't know if it's like the little shells. Where my little bitch, one of y'all go over here. I don't know if it's like one of my little shells, and I have like another shell down there. Just like, I feel like a little braided like goddess. Y'all, I haven't had braids in so long because all I do is wigs, but like, this is a vibe. Y'all, I don't even have on no lip gloss. Like, that's how excited I got to come on here and talk about this wig. Like, I'm not even done with my fucking makeup. Like, I was literally talking about, oh, I'm just gonna have it on for like today. Fuck that. Like, I'm about to keep this shit on. And I fuck with like the little baby hairs being all extra. Like, it's vibe. And like, it's half up, half down. Like, you can't even, to my knowledge, you can't see nothing back there. One of these things I pulled hella hard. I don't even know where it is. Hell, it probably fell out. But and it got like frizzy, but I mean, it's this hair in it, so it's gonna have it look frizzy. It's little inserts, like it's braided to the end, and then like there's like a little curly piece at the end, held together with like a rubber band, and then it's like little of those little crinkly pieces like kind of crochet in the wig. So this is how I'm feeling about this wig. Apparently it's supposed to be like a little side part action. That's how like it's supposed to be made, but this, like, I wanted it more toward the middle because I didn't want it, because I knew that I was gonna wear it like this. So yeah, like, I mean, this is my first time putting down like a braided wig, and you know, I think I nailed it. I think I nailed it. I don't think it's gonna shed or nothing because like it's braids. But you know, here we are, and I'm fucking with it. I like it, and thank you so much, Braids Queen Official, for sending me this wig. And you know, where is the lace? You don't know. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching this video, for looking at my channel, for being subscribed. If you're not subscribed, then subscribe, because like, we are nothing but good vibes over here, and I'm gonna start putting out more content. So subscribe and tell me what you guys want to see, because like, I do these hair videos and stuff, and me and my brother do reactions, but I want to know what y'all want to see. So yeah, that's it. Thank y'all.